Welcome to the search page. From the search page, you'll be able to locate existing clients. You can also add new clients, and you can schedule new clients or schedule existing clients. So it all begins on the search page. So you first have to locate them by entering either their access code, name, or first name. If you want to see more search criteria, just left click the title bar. And you could also search by phone number, email, account number. So there's various different ways you can locate a client. I'm gonna go ahead and left click to hide the additional criteria. And I'm gonna type a client's name. So we're looking for Michelle Bishop. So I don't have to type everything. I'm just gonna do their last name and first few letters of their first. And I selected enter. I could also have selected the search button. And now I have two new buttons that display, either add new contact or schedule new contact. So if you wanted to add a new contact, if this client didn't exist, you would select this button, which would create a new client, and scheduling a new contact from here, that would link me directly to the appointment calendar. So for more information on how to schedule, I'm going to refer you to the training videos on the appointment scheduler. You just see down below here, search results. This is what displays. So we did locate Michelle Bishop here, and this is all the information it displays. And from here, you can decide what you'd like to do. I'm going to briefly describe each one of these columns. To begin, we have the view icon with the eyeball. That's just going to take me directly into the client file for Michelle. The add icon, the plus symbol, that would allow me to create a new year, a new account year for this client by selecting this. The notes, this is going to a quick link directly to the task notes section for this client for this particular year, and it's highlighted in yellow, meaning that there is an open task note right now. The documents icon, if I left click, it'll send me right into the account uploads page where I have all her documents stored for this particular year. The portal message, if I wanted to send her a client portal message, I would just click on this icon here to create the compose message box. The schedule, this is going to tell me which site she went to last year, and if I click on the West Saginaw location, that's going to take me directly into the calendar so I can schedule an appointment for her. The calendar icon right here would link me up to her appointment history, her past history of appointments. So it'll tell me what days she normally came in on and whether she kept her appointment or not. Scheduling type, this is going to tell me the type of client. Does she normally schedule appointments, drop her information off, or does she walk in? The business type, so what business type it is for this client. The year, this is going to display the latest account year. So as you notice, only one year displayed. So when we do a search, the latest year is going to display. And this is also a link. If I click on the year, it's going to take me directly to her EF database section. So if this is for tax preparation, I would be able to see if the return's been accepted or rejected if I'm importing EF data from my tax software. The access code, that would normally be their social security number for business type tax prep, and the name, Michelle. And if I click on her name from here, that's going to take me directly into her file, just like it does when I select the view icon. The only difference is in the contact information section, it's going to display the whole, it's going to expand that section so I can see all of her contact information. It's not limited. Now this example, it's highlighted in yellow. That's also going to identify that she either has a permanent note or she has something outstanding. So if you look at the color key up here, it says review file. So if you ever see yellow, that means you should probably go into the file and see what's going on before you give information out to the client. The spouse, if she had a spouse, it would display the social and their name here. Return balance, in this example, there's a zero balance for this particular account year. It is also a hyperlink, which will link me directly to the transaction information section where I could see where the fee and the payment was recorded. Total balance, this is a total balance for her account, and it's showing an outstanding balance 155, highlighted in green, meaning there's a balance due. And if I want to see what year she actually owes me, I can come up here and select show all years and select search. It's going to show me all the years for Michelle, so all the way back to 2003, and then I can easily see what year she actually owes me money. So it was for 2013, says 155 balance due. For the total for all years is 155 also. I'm gonna go ahead and just focus in on the current year. Status, this is the status. In this case is tax preparation, so she's in pending client, meaning she needs to give me additional information. If I click on the status, that'll send me directly into the office events section where I can read the notes related to why it's in pending. Difficulty, this would be the difficulty of the tax return. The prep time, how long it takes to do the return. The user, this is the account user. Normally this is going to be who prepared the return. And the R in parentheses here just means that Michelle always wants Mark to do the return. So she specifically requests Mark to do the return. Retention, how many years Michelle has been with us. And this is the fee that we charged her in 2014. So 195, her payment was 175 and with a discount of 20. And account number, if there's a particular account number associated with this year. So that's a brief summary of all the column headings when you do a search and in the search results section. Thank you.